Once upon a time, the Rajahmundry district was in distressful condition. In the year 1831, there were heavy rains, cyclone in 1832, devastating famine in 1833, no crops in 1836, 37, and 38. There was a fierce cyclone in 1839. That is when Sir Arthur Thomas Cotton harnessed Godavari river water to provide irrigation facilities to famine-struck Godavari districts, and this way he had saved millions of lives. He helped the agricultural development of this area with his amazing feat of irrigation engineering. The Dhavleshwaram Anicut and Barrage was built by none other than British irrigation engineer Sir Arthur Thomas Cotton. Before this barrage was constructed, many hectares of land has been flooded with water and was unused. The water would be worthlessly going into the sea. But when Sir Arthur Thomas Cotton had built the barrage, those unused lands were brought into cultivation and the water was stored and used. The Dhavleshwaram Anicut is an important canal system in the Godavari Delta which has certainly turned the land into gold. Sir Arthur Thomas Cotton is revered in the Godavari district for making it the rice bowl of Andhra Pradesh. The Cotton Museum was constructed in the memory of Sir Arthur Cotton. It is a tourist attraction in Rajahmundry. This museum is located at Dhavaleshwaram, East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh in India. This museum was started with an intention to educate the people how the great engineer Sir Arthur Cotton during those olden days constructed the mighty Anicut across Godavari river and converted the lands of East and West Godavari districts as very fertile land. The museum also narrates the construction of present Sir Arthur Cotton Barrage constructed with the advanced engineering skill. Beside the above, number of lawns, flower plants, croton plants and decorative plants in the garden around the museum contributes to the pleasant greenery. Let's begin the museum tour and I hope you will admire to see projects through from conception to completion.
This is a headlock chamber of Dhavaleshwaram barrage. Possible Godavari river will flow from that side. The water will enter this lock chamber. Water will be locked here at this gate.
Okay.
You need to leave water.
1 second, I can't
Little
see.
bit of water. Thoda pani chodna hai to then they will be used to open like this.
Okay, this is for little water
So
and maybe for full
the
water.
flow is not much, and then they want to release water a bit, then they will open this. If the flow is too much during the heavy monsoon season, they need to open the gates like
Gate.
this. And then leave the water for that. So this is design. This is how the Dhavaleshwaram barrage used to work.
They might be sending cements in this way. There is a wheel down, so it's a track. So on the track they used to run this cart to send the cement.
What it will do is, see, rotate like this.
This is for what?
This is the gate basically.
Okay.
Radial gate, dam gate basically.
Mm-hmm.
So they will mechanically they used to lift it right in those days. They need to rotate this. Few people will be rotating this, and slowly it will rotate, and there will be iron threads tied to this gate, and it will lift this gate
Okay. To release the water.
to release water. Yes. Now they have fixed the gate actually. This is how. Here the hinges are. It will lift the gate. Very heavy.
Okay.
Heavy, very heavy. This is the design.
So this is down one is Bay of Bengal.
So
And
Godavari river will flow till Kovur there. From Kovur it will split into two. This one tributary is called Gautami, the other one is called Vasishta.
okay.
And Vasishta will split again into two here after Siddhantam. And then this is called Vainatayam and this is called Vasishta. Vainatayam.
And they are merging in Bay of
all tributaries will go and merge into
Bay of Bengal. Nice.
Godavari river in floods during it has almost reached that rail come. This is train and route, and this is road, right? Rail come, road, bridge, almost it touched. That much water
Okay.
has come. Rajahmundry town in 1986 floods, water reached almost the levels. We saw these two, right? He asked about what is this Eastern Delta Score sluice constructed by Sir Arthur Cotton. And this is Head sluice constructed by Sir Arthur Cotton. पानी जो जहाँ पे छोड़ा हुआ था.
Okay. It's broken.
What Arthur Cotton has told. If 50 million pounds had been spent in distributing river water throughout India, the whole country would be now sprinkled with immense tracts of rice, producing food for 30 millions of people for a whole year, and including some 10,000 miles of perfect steamboat canal, carrying at 1/10 of the cost of railways.
So there is a huge park near the museum. My daughter is enjoying in the park.
It's a full-scale model of the Dhavaleshwaram barrage.
Okay.
Sir Arthur Cotton barrage, full-scale model.